There we go. So this is a wonderful baggage of bags. I'm going to try to put this beautiful breast in. And I wash my hands constantly throughout this thing. Just finish washing my hands. So I don't mind if I grab that bird, but if I do, I want to make sure that I have something handy I can clean it up with. So let's try lifting this away after I take that into there. So we already got some bones collected here. So lift it up, the bird ends up. And we're going to try and fill that bag with a breast so we can put it in the freezer for later. Because isn't that wonderful? So let's get rid of this part. Sure, can you see that? Let's hang that over the edge and see if we can. Oh, I don't know, that's a little too much. Take my cliffhanger. Oh, I just touched my face. Hope I don't have COVID on here. So let's just treat it as. Now, herein lies the trick. All this food is folded up right there, and I want to try and keep it as whole as possible because no matter what I do, every knuckle joint in there is Jell-O now. I kid you not. You know, your hands somebody piece of gristle and say, "Would you like some pudding?" It's just that the collagen is broken down, and you do that by the fact that the collagen breaks down lower temperature. I'm going to lift this thing away. Collagen breaks down at a lower temperature than water boils, which is why boiling stuff generally gets it to break up. But by simmering it in, oh, that's a nice big piece. Let's try not to break that. What is that? That's a thigh. Wow. I see it. Here's a thigh bone. Okay, so that's the, yeah. So that's the, what is that? Oh, that's the part I ate already. So let's take this bit right there. I'll keep this together as much as I can. Which I failed right there because that goes on the bottom of that. So like I say, it's a real forensic adventure trying to get into this here bird. Oh, let's take that bone away. Yeah. Let's just start. Look, this guy's one. All together now. Try this out of the box. Oh, and what a snack do we have? Turn this way. Keep the grease down here. Where's our snack? Where's my snack, huh? That is melted. That, well, I even you on it, and I'll get little pieces. So, most importantly, the individual connective tissue between the muscles in themselves are that's what gives it the really great melt in your mouth quality of slow cooking. Because it did. I put it on my tongue, I rolled it around my hard palate there, and it came out. Oh, huh. Chef says, success. Oh, my favorite part right there, the blood. I wouldn't blood. Muscle tissue, connective. Okay. Now here we get to the third layers. We have one big bone. Let's get this stuff out of here. Okay. And that is because the breast on the tail on the back. Okay, so under the back, the breastbone, The back is actually down there. I've also removed and eaten some of the back already. The first thing I did before turning this bird over. Here's the bone I was telling you about. I mean, it's okay if you debone it right now, right? I don't put that in the freezer anyway, right? That's what I'm going to do next. Okay, here is da 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 da. Maybe I'm wrong. What did I get myself into? Oh no! I killed part. Yeah, what am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do now? I'll prepare the bag. Yeah. Get in my belly. Will you stand up on mine? So the bag. You will, huh? Well, that's wonderful. I like that. I still might need that. Stand up, boy. Yeah, that won't happen. Well, rather than losing it. There we go. This is the part I was just going to pick up all in one hand and drop the bag on. I think I'll have to crush it. Yeah, I have to butterfly that crusher. What is that? Oh, what is hanging up over here? Oh, the button. The done to cook proof. A security shield in time. Oh, that goes back in the bag. Yeah. What else goes back in the bag? Can we get some of this in the bag too? Well, how much of all this can you take? In the bag. So looks good to me. I'll call that success. Now later I'll come by and I'll take a straw and I'll draw out all the air. And this part I just put a sort of straw right there and it just draws it right up like no airless that you've ever seen before. So that's a nice clean bag of 5 pounds of turkey breast. Now here comes the fun part. The fun part is when I scour and scourge this thing for the bones and I suck on them and I show you one thing. Sometimes you go like this. Ow. Now, some people, they pop their bones in the stew at this point. Maybe going, oh, we don't put your mouth on that. No. Well, hey, what happened to the knuckle casing? Well, look real close. There's a nugget of knee joint Jell-O. This one didn't come out soft and suitable, but girls especially, you have a need for iron and blood stuff, and this is like, if you menstruate, you must do this. There's even more meal in there, you know. Different cultures, you find, I cracked a bone, and I'll do it myself generally, but this didn't come. That's what I usually do. Huh? Yeah, so you can get down in there. Now, North Pardon, usually my bones are much softer than that, and I will consume mostly half of them. So there we have it. How to overcook a bird in genuine. Uh-oh, my hands are contaminated. Oh, talking about one hand contaminated. Contaminated hand. And that was, it ended up being 1 liter on the nose. It started with 500 milliliters, and then came back and topped it off halfway through the cook with genuine tart apple cider. Yes, this is a cider that sticks to the bottom of the thing because it's been sitting in your pantry for 4 years. It almost exploded, but I left the gear out, and it's this is the unfiltered part. But all the alcoholic part went into the bird because I didn't shake it up first, and that tends to separate. Yeah. The solids on the bottom and the liquor. Well, that's been it, folks. Thanks for listening. How to ruin a turkey at Christmas. And Santa says, blessings upon your travels, and family be healthy and happy and enjoy wondrous tasty birds.